Do you know how to use Golang?
Google uses Golang for applications like Google Documents and the Google App Store.
How would I use Golang?
Golang is becoming popular in the free and open source software market, also known as FOSS. Google App Drives and servers are popular places to host those free apps, and writing them in Go makes them a perfect fit.
And you can run more apps off the same hosted space, hopefully resulting in more people upgrading to a paid version or hiring tech support.
Google is used for some enterprise applications and applications hosted on Google's servers simply because the applications run so fast.
They stripped out so many functions that I'm surprised to hear it is used a lot.
By stripping out a lot of functions, you have simpler vocabulary, so to speak, allowing programmers to learn it faster. By using Golang's condensed code structure, you end up with half or even a third as many lines of code.
I do know the fewer lines of code you have, the faster the app will run, usually. How else can you use Golang?
Golang is designed for concurrency. It even has concurrency primitives.
Yet Golang is supposed to be advanced. Golang uses type embedding and strict inheritance rules that are supposedly less error-prone.
I think it is less error-prone because the compiler crashes when it errors. You have to make it work, declare all the variables and untie all the circular logic to make it work.
That makes it sound like a good programming language. Yet you haven't said it could be used for anything other than Google-based apps.
Despite its fair-sized libraries, it lacks the full code libraries of PHP. While Google has some C library interfaces, it doesn't interact well with other languages from Java to Python.
So if you want to use Go, you have to reinvent the wheel in Golang. At least Scala had the ability to plug and play with Java.
That's why it is pretty much used to host apps on Google's servers or in the apps on Google's servers.